Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here today. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt so tired that you just wanted to stop? Maybe you were studying English, or cleaning your house, or working all day, and your brain said, "That's it, I'm done." But you weren't done yet, right? Today, we're going to talk about that moment. That moment when you feel tired, but you still have something to finish. The topic today is simple, but powerful. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Stay with me until the end, and you'll learn how to keep going, even when your mind wants to quit. And yes, your English will get better too. Let's begin. So, first, what does tired mean? Tired means your body is slow. Your eyes want to close. You want your bed. You want your sofa. That's tired. And what does done mean? Done means finished, complete. The job is over. The work is finished. So, the idea is this. Don't stop when you feel tired. Stop when your work is finished. Simple, right? But not always easy. Let's talk about learning English. Learning English takes time. It's not a one-day thing. You read, you listen, you write, and sometimes your brain gets tired. You read one page, then another, and suddenly you want to sleep. You think, maybe I'll stop now and watch TV. But wait, is the lesson done? No, you're tired, but you're not finished yet. So what can you do? Let's make the goal smaller. Don't say, I will read the whole book. That's too big. Say, I will read 2 pages, or I will study for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, that's small. You can do that. When the 10 minutes are done, you feel tired, but you also feel proud because you didn't stop. You finished. You are tired and happy, not tired and sad. Now let's think about exercise. Do you like walking? I do. Let's say your goal is to walk for 30 minutes. You start strong. 5 minutes. Easy. 10 minutes. Still good. 15 minutes. Your legs feel heavy. You see a chair and think, maybe I can rest a little. But wait, your goal is 30 minutes. You are at 15. You are tired, but you're not done yet. So what should you do? Slow down. Take small steps. Keep going. 20 minutes, 25, and then 30. Now you are done. You are tired, but you are proud. You did it. And now that chair feels amazing because you earned it. The rest is your prize. Let's talk about another situation. The kitchen. After dinner, you're full, you're happy, you look around and see dirty plates everywhere. You think, oh no, I'll clean tomorrow. But tomorrow is a dangerous word, because when tomorrow comes, the kitchen is still dirty, and now your morning starts sad. So, what's better? Clean it now. Even if you're tired, wash the plates, clean the table. It takes maybe 20 minutes, but then done. The kitchen is clean. You can sit on your sofa, smile, and say, "Yes, I finished." You're tired and proud, not tired and sad. So why is it so hard to keep going? Because our brain loves comfort. The sofa is comfortable. The bed is comfortable. But comfort is not progress. Progress means moving forward, getting better, learning something new. Progress is 10 new English words. Progress is walking 30 minutes. Progress is a clean kitchen. Comfort feels nice now, but progress feels great later. Work now, happy later. That's the secret. So, how do you do it? How do you keep going when you feel tired? Let me share 3 small secrets. Secret number 1, remember your goal. Ask yourself, why did I start? Maybe you started English because you want to travel, or because you want a better job, or because you want to make friends. When you feel tired, don't think about the sofa. Think about your goal. Travel, friends, success. That gives you energy. Secret number 2, make the steps small. Don't say, I will study for 3 hours. That's too big. Say, I will learn 5 new words. Or, I will finish 1 lesson. Small steps are easy to start and easy to finish. And every time you finish a small goal, you feel proud. You feel progress. Small steps make a big journey. And secret number 3, give yourself a prize. Yes, a prize. After you finish your goal, reward yourself. For example, you finish studying, drink a nice coffee. You finish walking, listen to your favorite song. You finish cleaning, watch one funny video. Work first, then reward. That's how you train your brain to love progress. So, remember, don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. When you finish something, you build confidence. You build strength. Learning English, working, exercising, it's all the same. Do a little every day. Keep your goal in mind. Take small steps and give yourself a prize. That's how you grow. That's how you win. Before we end today's episode, I have a small challenge for you. Think of one small goal you can finish this week. Maybe it's 1 English lesson. Maybe it's cleaning 1 room. Maybe it's walking for 10 minutes. Whatever it is, finish it. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Then smile and say, I did it. Because you can. You are strong, and you're doing great. Thank you so much for listening today. If you liked this topic, please share it with a friend who's learning English too. And remember, don't just study English. Live it. Use it every day. Speak it. Think it. Enjoy it. And I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay strong, keep learning, and never give up. Bye for now.